Narrated Abu Huraira. While the Prophet, peace be upon him, was saying something in a gathering, a Bedouin came and asked him, when would the hour doomsday take place? Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, continued his talk. So some people said that Allah's messenger had heard the question but did not like what that Bedouin had asked. Some of them said that Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, had not heard it. When the Prophet, peace be upon him, finished his speech, he said, where is the questioner who inquired about the hour doomsday? The Bedouin said, I am here, O Allah's apostle. Then the Prophet Muhammad said, Ruwayat, when honesty is lost, then wait for the hour doomsday. The Bedouin said, how will that be lost? The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, when the power or authority comes in the hands of unfit persons, then wait for the hour doomsday. Narrated Aisha, the mother of believers. Allah enjoined the prayer when He enjoined it. It was 2 rakat only in every prayer, both when in residence or on journey. Then the prayers offered on journey remained the same, but the rakat of the prayers for non-travelers were increased. Narrated Atiyah. We were ordered to bring out our menstruating women and veiled women in the religious gatherings and invocation of Muslims on the 2 Eid festivals. These menstruating women were to keep away from their musalla. A woman asked, O Allah's messenger, what about one who does not have a veil? He said, let her share the veil of her companion. Narrated Abu Huraira, a person asked Allah's messenger about the offering of the prayer in a single garment. Allah's messenger, peace be upon him, replied, has every one of you got 2 garments? Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said none of you should offer prayer in a single garment that does not cover the shoulders. Narrated Ibn Umar, a person asked Allah's messenger, what should a Ihram wear? He replied, he should not wear shirts, trousers, a burnous, a hooded cloak, or clothes which are stained with saffron or wars, a kind of perfume. Whoever does not find a sandal to wear can wear cuffs, socks made from thick fabric or leather, but these should be cut short so as not to cover the ankles. Narrated Uqba bin Amir, the Prophet, peace be upon him, was given a silken farouj as a present. He wore it while praying. When he had finished his prayer, he took it off violently as if with a strong aversion to it and said, it is not the dress of Allah-fearing, pious people.